Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a month, I think. I haven't uploaded anything. I left you guys hanging with a vacation vlog, but I'm gonna upload it. Not now, but I will if you guys wanna see it, of course. But today I'm gonna take you guys along with me with my day. It's gonna be a very productive day. Right now I washed my face, I brushed my teeth already and did all of that, but I haven't done my skincare, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. And then I'm gonna take you guys along to see how I get ready for the day. So this is what I use after I wash my face in the morning. I don't go crazy with a lot of things because at nighttime I do a whole skincare routine, which I'm gonna be making a video soon. That's all I do in the morning on my face after I wash it, of course. I'm gonna make some coffee. I just don't know what I'm gonna eat it with. Yeah, you fake. You made enough for us?
No.
Not this, the coffee.
Is that I needed to put more coffee.
Mind you, I told her that I was gonna make coffee, and when I make it for both of us if it's a day like this. That's how fake she is. Whatever, we're gonna wait for Leah to finish making her coffee. And I just popped these two pimples right here, so you guys will see it throughout the whole video. Change of plans. We're gonna just make a banana shake. I feel like this holds my stomach much better until we start cooking for lunch. So
it was better that I didn't make you coffee.
no, don't come with that.
Walking around like como las 7 or las 6.
No, I wasn't that up, girl. I was
Oh my god, yeah, you were like...
I was? Yeah. Really?
I'm like, damn, this girl is sleeping.
I was snoring or just going like that with my voice?
Going like that with your voice. After a little bit, like two minutes or something.
Right now it's like 2 something in the afternoon. I was talking to my family and all of that stuff. My dad, my mom, my sister, you know, we're having some family time. I'm gonna get ready now. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna take you guys along with me, of course. I'm gonna do my makeup to then eat and start getting prepped for the day. I just did my makeup, nothing crazy. I just do it so I can look presentable in the photos, and I don't do no crazy eyeshadow. I just do something on the crease so it has some color, you know. So now I'm gonna look for some outfits to wear because a girl's about to take some Instagram pictures in a sec. I actually just want pictures like from here up, so I might just change the top and leave this on. That's what you guys don't see on my pictures, but yeah, sometimes I do that. Now I'm just gonna do my hair to get ready because I had to get ready for the day. And I kind of know what I'm gonna go for. By the way, don't mind my crazy hair. I'm trying not to put heat on it, so I just been washing it and just putting it in a bun. Voila, you guys, I have long hair. Oh god, now I have to straighten my hair at the front, which is not a good idea, but I'm still gonna do it because I had to do something to the front of my hair. I'm just preparing everything now to take my pictures. I don't do this all the time though. I do it sometimes when I want to be extra like today. That's when I do this. Otherwise, I would just use that lighting, or I open up the windows and use natural lighting. And that's it. So I think I might take my picture right here. I'm not 100% sure, but I need light, okay?
Yo quería brechar y de tirarme fotos. Oye, llévate eso.
tu barriguita de noche, no comas carbohidratos. ¿Te entiendes?
Ajá.
Cuando tú vayas a hacer un video, por lo menos o cuando finalice el video, como para rellenar un chin, o antes, pon esa musiquita, haz un poquito como de un bailecito, así como que tú te veas, ¿tú entiendes lo que te quiero decir?
Ajá.
Que te vean como bailando, ay, qué lindo baila ella. Entonces, eso es bacano también.
Guys.
Susurrado al oído te comienzas a calentar. Te vas, consigue dos. Igual no vas a ser como yo. Por amor nadie se murió. Baby, si te vas, consigue dos.
Now I think I'm gonna take the thumbnail picture of this for this video because I haven't taken it, and usually I always forget and then I regret it when I'm editing the video, when I'm done with the video, that I have to create a thumbnail. I regret it because I don't like to screenshot my clips, whatever. The quality is not as good. It doesn't look HD because it's a screenshot. So I'm gonna take a picture right now. So let me place this right here. By the way, you guys, let me know if you want to see how I take my Instagram pictures, the poses that I like, the best poses that I think you guys can use so your body can look better, you know, the good angles, however you call that, and how I edit my pictures and things like that. Just let me know. I can make a whole video on how I get ready to take my Instagram pictures, which I don't do all the time, but I been active lately on my Instagram. If you haven't followed me, I'm gonna put it somewhere down below so you guys can go and follow me there. I guess like this. No, you can barely see anything. Thumbnail was taken. Let's call my boo. Let's see what he's doing.
You look pretty.
Thanks, baby. Why are you looking at me like that?
Cause why you so like selective each other? Like why you look a good one?
For my video, duh. Bye. So let's pick these pictures. See which one I like. I have a couple of them. And edit them to upload them on Instagram. I take a little bit doing this. That's why I'm here all comfortable in the couch. Now I'm gonna get back to music. That's my song, guys.
Yo quiero saber si tú tienes mami. Nuestra historia ya está muerta. Espero que seas feliz y que te diviertas. Si que vas de lejos, dile a Lalo que te envíe el ping. Hace tiempo que no se monta.
Okay, so now I have everything set here. I'm gonna start editing this video. I have another video in mind for today as well, which I'm gonna film after this video. I think it's gonna go up after this one as well. I'm not 100% sure, but it's going up on my channel, and it is my night skincare routine, my night routine, whatever you guys want to call that.
Keep the change, cause it's gotten a little time and some.
Right now I'm just deleting the old video that I had there, that I edited, the last video that I edited like a month ago. For me to have enough space to edit this vlog that I just did today, I had to delete everything. So I'm gonna just finish this video right here. I gotta start editing this one so I can finish it tomorrow and hopefully put it up by Friday because today's Wednesday. And yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Don't forget to thumbs up the video if you enjoy it. Let me know, guys, if you would like to see more videos like this. Also, let me know if you guys want to see a video of me getting ready to start taking my Instagram pictures and things like that. I have a couple of ideas for my YouTube channel. Like, I started writing down everything. Let me show you guys real quick. So I have this thing right here where I'm writing down all my ideas on this side and also right here. So I've been writing here and there the things that I want to do. Hopefully I can keep up with this thing because I know I always stop, but I'm gonna try my hardest to not stop because I'm not gonna get anywhere if I keep stopping. You guys will just unsubscribe and be like, girl, we forgot about you. We don't even care about you no more, you know what I mean? But I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great day today whenever you guys see this video. And yeah, bye guys.